Hello students, hello everyone. One good news for you all. As you know, I upload videos for Java for ICSE board students. But now onwards, I'm going to upload the videos for Python. Okay, means I will keep uploading the videos for Java, but now onwards, I'm planning to upload the videos for the Python programming language also. Okay, so it's good news for you. I hope you are happy. And if you are interested, you can learn this new language. And if you are the student of CBSE board and you have opted in class 12, if you have opted computer science with Python in class 11, 12, if you have opted computer science with Python, then my videos will be helpful for you. Okay. So let's begin with this new programming language. I hope you are happy and you are interested. So let's start without wasting your and my time. Now Anand sir is going to teach you about Python. Okay. As you know, I believe in basics. I start from basic, and basic is very important thing. Here also I will start from very basic, from very beginning. Okay. So don't worry if you are beginner, if you are learner, if you are learning, or if you are student. This will be my videos will be useful for you all. Okay. Now listen. So let's start with this new programming language. As you know, before introducing what is Python, who have invented this and features of Python and anything, any basic thing about the Python. Uh, Before that, let me tell you, yeah, as you know, run any to run the program of any programming language, we require a software. We require a software. Okay, that is also called IDE. Okay, as you know, in to run the program of Java, we install JDK or we use the ID that is BlueJ or NetBeans. These are the ID, or you can say softwares by the help of which we run the Java program. Okay, like that for any language, if you are going to run the program of any programming language, you require a software for that. You require an IDE for that. IDE, Integrated Development Environment, that is software. Okay. So here also to run the programs of Python, we require a software. So how to install that software, from where to install that software, that everything I'm going to tell you. Means before explaining all these things, our computer must be ready for running the program of Python. Means I'm trying to make your computer ready for the Python through this video. So first of all, I will tell you how to install the software to run the Python programmings. Okay, so let's start with that. And here we go. So first of all, you open, as I told, I will tell you from where. To install the software for Python programming language, first of all, open Chrome or any browser in your computer. Here I'm opening Chrome. You can see this. Open Chrome, and here type. Just remember this. Here type www.python.org. Please note it down. This is the web address of official website of Python language. So www.python.org and press enter key. So this home page of that official website will open. Here you can see the option downloads. Okay. In downloads, here you have to come to here, this option, this button, Python 3.12.4. This is the latest version of Python which is available here. Okay, it is for Windows. Since we are downloading for Windows, so download for Windows. So click on this. Okay, so we are now by clicking on this, we will download the setup for Python software. Okay, Python IDE you can say. So click on this. So if you click on this, see here progress bar is showing you. The progress bar will be shown here, and after downloading, it will be shown like this. Okay, and then click on this. Click on this. So then installation, now there are two options. You can see install now and customize installation. So click on install now. The installation is under progress. The required things will be installed in your in your computer. Python library or whatever required things to run the Python program will be installed in your computer. It's going on. The process of installation is going on. You can see the progress bar. So wait for this. It will take maximum 2 minutes, not more than that. Maximum, I'm telling you, less than 2 minutes. Okay, just wait. Don't do anything. Just wait for the next message. I have not paused the video. It's going on. It's continuous video. Okay. Okay. Now after installation, this message will appear in front of you. Setup was successful. Then you close. Click on this close button. Now you can close this browser. From here, I am closing this browser. Okay. Close it. Now what we have done, we have installed Python ID, the software for Python we have installed. Okay. Now how to open that software, that I'm going to tell you. For that, I'm going to tell you the easiest way. See, in each and every computer Windows, there is option, this search option there. You can see search option in it. Click on this. Okay. And type, here you can type, or anywhere you can type IDLE. Simply type IDLE. The first option will come. Click on this. You can see IDLE Python 3.12 means it is the latest version which we have installed, 3.12. Okay. I'm clicking on this. Click on this. It's opening. Wait. Now see. This is the Python IDE. Okay, it is Python IDE means the software which will provide the environment for running or developing the program of Python. Okay, so in this ID we can work on two modes. So I have taught how to install, how to open it. Now how to work on this. Okay, that I'm going to tell you, because while I will teach in further videos, if I will teach, these things will be required. You must know, but otherwise, without telling you, if I will type the things, so things will not be clear. So that's why, first of all, I'm introducing this. Now listen, this is the Python ID, the software where we can run the program. We can type the program and we can run the program. So in this ID, there are two modes, MODE, I'm telling. There are two modes to work on it. Okay, so that I'm showing you. See, Python has, in Python ID, we can work on two modes. First is called interactive mode, or you can say immediate mode. See this thing. First, I'm going to tell you how to work using interactive mode or immediate mode. Let me show you. See this ID. Focus on this part only. In this, see this ID. This can you see this three greater than symbols? Can you see? I hope you can see. So this and this place where you can see this cursor is blinking. Can you see this cursor is blinking? This place is called command prompt. And here at this command prompt, you can type the Python commands and you can get the output here itself. Means, so this is called interactive mode, or in other words, it is called immediate mode. Means here itself, you can type the single line commands of Python programming and you can get the output. Let me show you. One thing I'm telling you, simplest one program, print. Consider I want to print learn Python by Anand. Okay. Sorry. By Anand. Whatever any message you can print. So this is one of the command of Python, printing something. Okay, so print is a function, I will tell you later. So print learn Python and by unanswer this, or any message if you want to print, just type and enter key. you'll get the output here itself. Now I'm showing you, consider C equal to or A equal to 5, consider A equal to 5, then B equal to 2, then press enter key, then C equal to A plus B, press enter key. Now print C, print C. 7. Can you see the output 7? This one, 7 is here. So by this way, here means we are typing single Python commands in different lines, and we are getting the output here itself. So working like this, working here, writing the commands on this command prompt is called intermediate mode, or sorry, not intermediate, immediate mode or interactive mode. This is called interactive mode. This is one of the mode we can work on this ID. Okay, means we can type the intermediate word is not correct. Interactive or immediate mode. So you again, in interactive or immediate mode, we can type the Python commands on this command prompt only, and we can get the output here itself. We are not making any file. We are giving the instant commands and we are getting the outputs. This is one of the mode that is called immediate mode or interactive. Am I clear? This is one of the mode. The second mode is called script mode. What is that? Script mode. In script mode, we create a file as we do in other programming language also. We type the program in a file and we save that file. So here the same thing we are going to do in the script mode. In script mode, we type the file, we type the program in a file in a module. So that I'm going to do. So how to work on script mode, that I'm going to tell you. Click on file. Can you see this option in this ID? File is here. Click on file, then click on new file. See this, another window has opened. Can you see this? Another window has opened. Now here, type the program. This is the place where you can type the program. So simply the program which I have written on this immediate mode, that I'm going to write in this file. Same program I have written, A equal to 5, B equal to 2, C equal to A plus B, and print C. Everything, all the commands I have written in this file. After typing the program, click on file and click on save. Okay. Now see, everything is set only. Here is the file name column. Here you have to type the name of the file, whatever file name you want to this file. Okay. So here I'm writing the file name. Consider we are finding sum of two numbers. Sum int. We are finding sum int. So sum, or any file name you can type, sum int, then dot py. Don't forget to type dot py. This dot py is the extension for Python program files. Okay, as you know, in Java we write dot Java, and here in case of Python we type dot py. Py is the extension for the Python programming files. Okay, so don't forget dot py. So file name whatever you want, dot py, and then click on save button. Your file will be saved with that name. So what we have done, we have typed the program, complete program we have typed, and we have saved that into a file. That is, that name I have taken sum int dot py. That we have done. I think, am I clear? Now the turn to run this program. Now we are going to run this program. So how to run this program? This program we have typed in this file. Now to run this program, click on run. You can see this option run here, and click on run module. Actually, what is the module? The file in which we save the Python program, that files are called modules. Okay. So we have created one module, we have created one file, or you can say we have created one module which name was sum int dot py. Can you see this? Now we are going to run this module. So click on run and then click on run module option, or you can directly press F5 from your keyboard. You can see the shortcut of this given. Click on run module. If you click on run module, this program will be executed. You can see the output. Yes, 7. And you can see the output is output will be shown on this immediate mode, not in this file. Our file is here. See, two different windows are here. Can you see? This window is different. This window is different. Output we are getting on this command prompt. Here we are getting, and the program file is here. Okay. So again, I'm printing, doing some changes in this program. Consider I'm writing sum equal to C. After doing any change, please don't forget to save the file. Click on save. Then again run the program. So now we will have the message sum equal to 7. See, this is the output. Sorry, equal to I have not written. So equal to I have not written. So equal to is not coming. Equal to is not coming here. Sum 7. Yeah, let me type equal to also sum equal to. Now after doing any change, click on save. Then click on run module. Output is coming here. Can you see this place and can you see this place? Two different places are there. Let me show you both windows together. See, okay, output we are getting here sum equal to 7. So this is working like this is called script mode. We are writing a file in, we are writing a program, Python program in and saving that into a file with extension .py, and by click on run module, we are running that program. So these are two different ways to work on Python IDE. Okay. So while I will teach you, I will try to use, most of the time I will use that interactive mode. But when there is a time to write the program, please use script mode. Okay. So this is all about Python. So now by this way, in this I have taught how to install the Python software and how to work on the two modes I have explained thoroughly. So now by doing this, you and your computer will be ready for uh, to learn the Python programming. Okay, so please get ready with computer, install the software, and get ready to learn Python by Anand sir. Master basic with Anand sir. Okay, so soon I will upload the videos, and as I told, I will start from very beginning. So wait for the next video. For this video, this much only. Thank you, and if possible, share with other students also. If you know any CBSE board student who want to learn this of class 11 or 12, share with them also. Okay, and if they want to learn, not forcefully. Okay, so for this video, this much only. Thank you. Bye to all.